Welcome to today's video. Imagine a world where you could customize your DNA to improve your health, prevent diseases, and even enhance certain traits. The future of personalized health is closer than you think, thanks to breakthroughs in genetic engineering, CRISPR technology, and precision medicine. But what are the ethical and scientific implications of customizing our DNA? Stick around for a bonus tip at the end on how to explore your own genetic data safely. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who love science and technology. Let's start by understanding DNA customization. Scientists can now edit or modify genes using tools like CRISPR, allowing for potential health improvements. CRISPR is already being used to treat genetic diseases like sickle cell anemia and certain forms of blindness. Personalized medicine tailors treatments based on an individual's unique genetic makeup. Companies like 23andMe and Ancestry DNA offer genetic testing, but always research how your data is stored and used. Pro tip: share in the comments if you've ever taken a DNA test and what you learned from it. Next, let's explore the potential benefits. Scientists are researching ways to edit genes to eliminate inherited diseases like cystic fibrosis and Huntington's disease. Gene therapies are already in clinical trials for conditions like cancer and Alzheimer's. Could gene editing help us live longer, be more resistant to illness, or even enhance intelligence? While research is ongoing, many experts believe longevity genes could be the key to extending human life. Pro tip: let me know in the comments, if you could enhance one aspect of your health through gene editing, what would it be? But what about the risks and ethical concerns? Altering DNA could have unpredictable side effects, including mutations that could be harmful. Scientists are working on making genetic modifications as precise and safe as possible, but challenges remain. Should people have the right to modify their own DNA, or should it be regulated? Many countries have strict laws governing genetic modification, especially for human embryos. Pro tip: share your thoughts in the comments. Should there be limits on DNA customization? How can you stay informed and involved? Follow organizations like the National Human Genome Research Institute, NHGRI, and the World Health Organization, WHO, for the latest advancements. Many universities offer free online courses on genetics if you want to learn more. While genetic testing can be fascinating, be cautious about sharing your DNA data with third parties. Read privacy policies carefully before using at-home genetic testing kits. Pro tip: let me know in the comments if you'd be interested in a video on the safest ways to explore your own genetic data. As promised, here's your bonus tip. If you're curious about your own DNA, start with lifestyle-focused genetic testing rather than medical-based tests. This helps you learn about traits like metabolism and ancestry without raising privacy concerns. Thank you for watching this deep dive into the future of personalized health and DNA customization. While the potential is exciting, ethical and safety concerns must be considered carefully. What do you think? Would you modify your DNA if given the chance? If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and share it with others. Share your thoughts on genetic editing in the comments. I'd love to hear them. See you in the next video.